Dear students, this is the first online class in this Corona breakup, and I hope you might be enjoying these days by staying at homes. And it is very difficult to manage all these things, but we are trying to do something for you. So let us start first chapter, that is going to the school. This is the first chapter of your EVS, and I am your EVS teacher, that is starting the going to school. We go from one place to other place by different means of transport. Suppose we go to market, we go to school, we go to any tourist places, we go any other places, and we use the different means of the transport, different means of vehicles. But here mainly we are concerned with the how do we go to the school. Sometimes you come by walking on the school, walking to the school. Sometimes you come by the bicycle, sometimes you come by the school bus also. So there are different means of transport that you use to come to the school. But it is very difficult in the places like Assam or the hilly areas or the snow area, where the weather condition is very odd, very different. So they face a lot of problem. So this chapter is all about the what are the problems that you face when you come to the school. Now here we go from one place to other place by different means. Sometimes we go on walking, sometimes we use bicycle, sometimes vehicle, and sometimes traditional mode of transport like bullock cart, tanga, camel cart, or any regional means of the transport which is common in particular area or particular states. There are some special means of transport in the states like Gujarat, and which is called Jugaad. Jugaad means the different materials assembled and to make the vehicles, and that vehicles are used for the transport from one place to other place. In Assam, in Assam it rains heavily, so due to the rain people face a lot of problem. It rains heavily, therefore students face difficulty in going to the school. In Assam, they make the bridge of the bamboo, which is a temporary bridge, which is not the strong bridge. So it is made in rainy season only, and when the rainy season gets over, then this bridge is removed. And by using this bridge, students or any people crosses the river or the small pond or small places while they go to one place to other place. Especially the children use this bamboo bridge to go to the school. Here we also make some short distances. We cross some distances by keeping the bricks at some distances, and we cross this place, especially in the rainy season. By walking on the bricks, we cover the distances from one place to other place. Even in the school, when it rains heavily, we put the bricks some places and we cross the area. We jump the area and to reach the places. In hilly areas like Ladakh, where the hills are there, where snow is there, it is very difficult in the condition when the weather is not suitable for the children. In such area, the children use trolley. Trolley is the open box which is fitted with the wire, and that wire runs on the electricity. And these trolley carry the students from one area to another area while they go to the school. Even we find that where bridge is present, this bridge is the temporary or the permanent. So bridge is of different types: cement bridge and the bamboo bridge or the wood bridge. Cement bridge, it is made of the bricks, rod, cement, chips, sand, and etc. It is strong and permanent. You might have seen the cement bridge over the platform when you cross one platform to another platform. There you find the cement bridge. In the road also, in the cities also, in the mall also, you find the cement bridge. Second, there is bamboo bridge or wood bridge. Mainly it is found or we see in the villages where there is not so much facilities for the people of the villages, and they form their own this bamboo bridge or the wood bridge, and this bamboo bridge is made from the wood or the bamboo, the ropes and the iron nails, and it is made by the people there only. In some parts of the Kerala, students use vallam. Vallam is the wooden boat, a small wooden boat which crosses the river, which helps them to cross the pond so that they can go to the school. It means in different situations we have different mode of transport while we go from our home to school. In Rajasthan, people use camel cart to go to other places. In Rajasthan, which is a desert area, therefore camel is used in the cart, and camel carry the cart to reach the people from one place to other place. In bullock cart, in rainy seasons, the children use umbrella to cover their body so that they can reach to the school safely. Children, the rest of the things we will see in the next class. By then, just you read these chapters, that main points I am sending you, and watch this video and enjoy. Thank you.